Yes, next example. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis line y equals to x and the circle x square plus y square is equals to 32. Now I should understand so many things. Along x-axis, enclosed by x-axis, y equals to x is line through origin, and this is a circle whose center lies at the origin. X square plus y square is equals to a square. A here is 4 root 2 whole square. Okay? So I draw a circle with center at origin, and this radius is 4 root 2. So point will become this. This is 0 comma 0. This will be 0 comma 4 root 2 because this is also radius. Okay? I have to find the area enclosed by x-axis in first quadrant by the line and the circle. Means this is what I have to calculate. Question is clear? X-axis only in first quadrant, x-axis, line and circle. तीनों के बीच में, right? So see what we will do is, now this time it is almost clear that I should find area along x-axis only. Fine. But there are two curves again. One is line, one is circle. You know, when I am saying curve, line is also called curve, okay? When we speak of this thing. So one is line and one is circle. And one more thing I told you, that at a time we can calculate area under one curve. We cannot mix two curves and find together. So since I have to calculate this area, how it will be calculated? I will calculate, this is up to this portion, it's straight line. So I will have to calculate the area under the line enclosed by x-axis and then area under the circle enclosed between x-axis. So in two parts this area will be calculated. Line के नीचे, circle के नीचे. For both I need this point of intersection. This is point of intersection of line and the circle. इन दोनों का point of intersection है. ठीक है? So let's calculate it. इस y की जगह पे let's put x is equals to 32. So 2x squared is equals to 32. It gives me x is equals to 16 and then plus minus 4. So means this point x coordinate is 4, this x coordinate is minus 4. When I put y equals to x, so this will be 4 comma 4. Fine. Now I have to calculate first under this. So it will be dx, this will be y. I am not writing it every time. So I have to calculate area, required area is first area under the line. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? 0 से 4 तक. Okay? Then I will have to calculate area under the circle. Under the circle. और वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? 4 से 4 root 2. This is what this for understanding I've written like this. Okay, fine. So now required area is 0 to 4 under the line. So that is y into dx. If I take over here, this is my dx, this is y. Over here, if I take small step, this will be again, but limits will change this time. It will be 4 to 4 root 2 y dx. Now put their values. It will be y is equals to x for line. Y is equals to x, so value of y will be x dx plus circle अभी हम पीछे भी करके आए हैं. We can calculate from here y's value. Y square is equals to 32 minus x square. So y is equals to plus minus 32 minus x square under root. But it is first quadrant, so I am taking only positive value. I hope you are getting it. See, again the same formula has come. A square minus x square. I am telling you every time, maximum questions, the same thing will come. So it will be, its integration is very easy. X squared by 2, 0 to 4. When I come to this is a square minus x square. So it will be 4 to 4 root 2 x by 2 a square minus x square plus a square by 2 then sine inverse x by a. a is 4 root 2. ठीक है, वो मैंने स्क्वायर में ही दिखा दिया था. लिमिट्स ध्यान से पुट करना. वी नॉर्मली कमिट मिस्टेक्स व्हेन वी पुट लिमिट्स. x square by 2. Okay, when I put 4 here it will be 16 by 2, that is 8. 0 डालने से कुछ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, 0 हो गया. Coming over here, 4 root 2 डालने से it will become 32. This whole thing will become 0. Right? So it is 0. This is 16. When I put 4 root 2 here, it will become 1. So can I, by now I hope you understand sine inverse 1. Can I write straight away pi by 2 if you don't mind? ठीक है? Okay, fine. This is upper limit. Now coming to lower limit. This will be 4 by 2. When I put here 16, 4, it will become 16. 32 minus 16 is 16 and its square root is 4. When I come here, I put 4. 4 and 4 cancels. It will become 16. Sine inverse 4 by 4 root 2. This is cancels. Sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 4. So I put here plus 16 into pi by 4. This is 8. Okay. Then closed. This also is 8. Okay. So when I open the bracket, okay, this also is 8. So many 8s. Oh my god. So let's see what happens. This is 8 plus 8. This is minus 8. This is 8 pi, sorry. And this will be minus, hold on, 8 plus 8 pi. Oh, this is only 16, I'm sorry. This is 8 plus 8 minus 8 minus 8 pi. 1 8 goes and I am left with 8 minus 8 pi square units. This is my answer. I think something is wrong.